Hi guys, welcome to Shami Cooking Mantra. Today I am going to talk about the dandruff and its remedies and the causes. First we will see the causes for dandruff. Dandruff is a flakes, white flakes which are formed in our scalp because of excess oil. So we need to remove that oil. So for that the intake is very important. Before that, to avoid that kind of flakes, that white flakes, that is the dandruff, avoid the pollution. Because of pollution, surely we will be getting dandruff. So much exposure to sun and so many pollution and vehicle pollution will cause dandruff, and sweating a lot, too much of sweat will also cause dandruff. So avoid this, and washing your hair irregularly, just daily or once in a week, or sometimes you will take daily harsh shampoo and then blow dry and conditioner, and so many ways we use to gloss the hair, and so many chemicals. These are the causes for dandruff. Food habits and pollution, that is going out in pollution or exposure of too much sun and sweat, washing your hair with heavy shampoos and using conditioner and sprays, everything causes dandruff. Especially this hair dryer, we need to stop using this hair dryer. Or you want to go out very early, better to take a bath in the night. That is better when compared to taking a bath and immediately putting the dryer. It's so harsh for the scalp, and it will spoil your hair and skin, everything. So completely you need to stop. Once in a while you can use this hair dryer, but not very often. Another main cause is water, the type of water in your place. If it is very harsh, better you rinse your hair finally with a good water. Maybe it is water which is treated to reduce the salt content of the water. You can put rose, neem, and boil it and mix it with the water, and finally give a rinse, so that salt in that water won't affect your hair. And these are all the protection what we need to do. For me, I had a severe dandruff. It was like horrible dandruff. Because of dandruff, I got so much of pimples and it spoiled everything. I don't know how to maintain those days. After I stopped my exposure to pollution, immediately everything stopped. My dandruff stopped. I haven't treated, but still it stopped. But the damage is there because I lost so much of hair. But still I'm maintaining because I am avoiding some shampoos, and I'm once in a while I will maintain, not regularly. We may tell, but it is in a slow process to maintain your hair. And hair coloring you need to avoid. You can go for natural hair colors if it is needed so much, or else you can avoid. First, I need to talk about this Ridge Guard. Ridge Guard peel is very good for your hair to give the color, and for dandruff. Natural, we have so much of home remedies when it comes to dandruff. You don't have to worry about that. Any one or two will be available for sure at your home, so you can use that. You can't say this is not possible. We are in a very hurry world. Nothing like that, because we go to parlor for we travel to the parlor, we take appointment and wait, and we give money, and everything will be waste, because you will lose everything. Even you're not spoiling your hair, you're also spoiling your skin. So because both are related. So after this Ridge Guard, this kashkash, that is the poppy seed. Poppy seeds or very good for hair. You can soak it for 1 hour, just adding hot water, and after 1 hour, that is not even 1 hour, in half an hour you can put it in mixie and make a fine paste, or else you can make a powder if your mixie is that is jar is so heavy, it has power. You can blend it into a powder, and whenever you want you can take the dry powder, mix it with milk or watermelon or anything, and scrub. It will be very good. Watermelon is very good for your hair. Kashkash, that is poppy seed, methi seeds, and green gram. Poppy seeds, methi seeds, and green gram. Three you can all these three you can blend it together, make a powder, and you can use it for your skin as well. So just in 5 minutes you will get a fine powder. Then you can, whenever you want, you can mix it with water and then apply just for 20 minutes once in 2-3 days. Then you can rinse that. It will be a very good solution for dandruff. In this winter you can't apply onion, you can't apply curd. These two are best remedies for dandruff, but in this winter or in rainy season, surely it will be a good cause for your getting fever or any kind of allergies. So avoiding curd and onion is good for your health purpose. If you are used to it, it's okay, but if you are new, don't use curd and onion. It may give you cough, cold, or any other, even fever. So avoiding it is very good. So we have so many remedies. As I told, Ridgeguard, Kashkash, green gram, and methi seeds. These are all very good for your hair. If you have garden in your home, surely you will be having this Karpuravalli. It is Omam, Ajwain. That is Ajwain plant. So the leaf is very good for dandruff, and also you can use hibiscus leaf and mint leaves. Mint leaves are awesome for your skin and hair both. So you can make a paste with mint leaves and then keep it. Bitter leaves, truly it is in the medicine. They are giving it in medicine. They use in hair oil in Ayurveda. So you can use it. You can mix it with even with coriander leaves. You can mix and apply to your hair. And curry leaves, everybody knows curry leaves pack is good for your hair. And peel of orange. Orange peel to give an aroma for your pack, and also is good for your hair. And banana. You can make a banana paste, that is, it has to be ripened. So you can apply to your hair and rinse it in 20 minutes. It should not get dried more, because when it gets dried, it is very tough to remove. So you can use this banana and coconut, flesh of coconut. It's very good because we are not using curd. Curd can be replaced by this coconut flesh. This is very good for hair. If you use coconut water, that is a coolant, but this is not a coolant, so you don't get a cough or a cold. This will be very helpful for your dandruff. And amla. Amla, if you're used to amla, you can have this green, that is raw amla, blend it to a paste and then apply it, or else you can apply this amla powder which is available, which will be dry. You can buy it in supermarkets, it will be available. So you can apply that. It's a good conditioner. So it will give the hair a silky texture. And beetroot. Beetroot is so good for your hair. And methi, you can soak it, and the sprout you can have it daily. Intake is very important when it comes to hair. It's not that whatever you apply it will give a result. Added to that, you should sleep a lot, that is 8 hours sleep, and then regular work, that is any kind of workout, and drinking water and having food which are not acidic. You should go for alkaline food and avoid acidic kind of foods. And rose petals, hibiscus petals, rose petals, everything is good for your hair. So I have given you so many remedies. Everything is good. If you have time, you can put it raw, that is mix everything, blend it like a paste and apply. So if you are having heavy dandruff, it's not advisable to apply oil. You should reduce the dandruff, then go for oil. To reduce the dandruff, there are so many remedies. You can go with that. If you don't have time to make a paste and apply and leave it for 20 minutes, just put it in your hot water, whatever ingredient I have told you. Any of these, one or two, will be surely available at your home. Rinse it with that water. Add it to hot water and mix it and rinse it finally. So that will give your hair a protection from all these white flakes from your scalp. So another remedy is this papaya leaves, and you can mix it with your oil, or you can make it a paste and apply. This will also never gives you any fever. It is very good and very safe. And aloe vera. Aloe vera also is a coolant. If you have time, you can remove it from this plant and then take the gel, or else the gel is available in so many brands. Whatever brand is suitable for you, you can go for that. Out of everything, the best is that green gram and poppy seeds will never cause any cold or cough when you apply to your hair. It's very safe. So make a powder of this and apply to your hair. A good hair mask will protect you from all these kind of problems. So these remedies, when you follow, and avoiding pollution, taking a good intake, and taking a rinse with a good water, and putting a good hair mask which is suitable for your body, with these all will give you a nice solution, and especially sleeping and relaxing. All these will give you a nice remedy from your dandruff. I hope my tips will be useful for you. Please try these tips and comment to Shami Cooking Mantra and subscribe. Thank you guys.